Good morning, one and all present here. This is Sarala. Now let us see the topic distance vector, distance routing vector, and the data communication and networks. Before entering into the subject, let us see the objectives. So the first objective to understand the division of the network functionality into layers. And next objective to be familiar with the component required to build different types of network. On third objective, to categorize various unicast and multicast protocol on their functionality. And fourth one, to learn the flow control and the congestion control algorithm. And fifth one, to illustrate the various service offered by the application layer. And next, let us see the course objectives. So on successful completion of this course, the students will be able to identify the components required to build the different types of network and choose the required functionality at each layer for the given application. And third one, to identify solution for each functionality at each layer. And fourth one, to trace the flow of the information from one side to another node in the network. And fifth one, to understand the different and to understand and differentiate the various unicast and multicast protocols for routing data. And sixth one, to code the various utilities of the application layer and identify their functionalities. So now let us see what is meant by routing. So routing is nothing but how to pass a packet from the input interface to the output interface of the router. So that is called as a packet forwarding. So packet forwarding is nothing but how the packet has to be sent from the source to destination. So how to find and step up a route. So everything will be defined in the routing. So here the routing can be done with the help of the routing tables. So routing tables, basically there are two types of routing table, which is called as a static routing table and dynamic routing table. So static routing table is nothing but the routing information. So routing information is nothing but how the packet will be routed from your source to destination. All the information, so which is the source, where it has to be destination, what are the neighboring nodes connected, and how much hop does it require to pass a packet. So everything, all information will be updated manually. So that is called as a static routing. And dynamic routing